Agaramit kan iti cylinder. Paki-relax lang ti imayo. Siyak ti mangikabil iti
Ay, paspas maiman na.
pressure. One. So, i-compress ta nga kasjay ti baba na sa tantuag pa nga to inayan. Kita. Okay, one more time. Compress.
My God, kailangan talagang
Slide.
ano.
Okay, sa tantuag pa kasjay. Tati cylinder mo. Out of that cylinder, for first handlers, ti iparamit mi ka mangkok. Agaramit kan ti mangkok mo pang inabraw. Hi Mario. Okay, now
Finish?
you have to. What you're going to do is to push the clay outwards, and while you push, you just have to go straight up.
You remove it
Okay,
immediately.
one more time.
Yeah, I sounded last time this one.
You learned from last time. It's here.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Oh,
then
you
all
see?
the time a little more.
Nga experience day tanong nga rami din nga may summer. Okay?